Hi, welcome back to
Drawing with Jackson and Dad.
Today we're going to draw a snake.
What kind of snake?
Snake.
Rattlesnake?
A diamond back snake. So that'd be a rattlesnake.
Oh, at my school they brought a diamond back at my animal camp.
Really? Did they take it out of the cage?
I actually don't remember. They might have not. I don't remember, but I think so.
Well, let's get started because we're short on time as always. Ready? Get your pens. And here we go.
Put it on.
Okay, we're going to start this drawing up close to the top, not all the way to the top, but like about here. And we're going to do like a smiley face that kind of looks like this. Below that, we're going to do a sad face that kind of looks like that.
This doesn't really look like a snake.
I know, it doesn't look like a snake yet.
It looks like...
Next, we're going to do that.
It looks like two hamburger buns.
Oh. And the next, we're going to go like that.
Is that his mouth?
Nope. Then we're going to go like this and like this.
Those are not ears, are they? No.
Not ears, no.
They don't have ears.
And then like this and like this.
Oh, these are his eyes.
Uh-huh, you're getting it. Then we're going to take this little line and make it go a little bit past that. Okay? Now we're going to make two dots just like that. Then we're
snake looks sad.
Then we're going to make some eyebrows that come up and over like that. But don't go all the way, just curl it around. And don't touch it, just leave a little space there. Stop. Other side, same thing. We're going to put not right from this line, we want to leave a little space and come up and around on that side and do the same thing. Then we're going to do a line that goes straight across there. Now we're going to do little nostrils on his nose.
Oh, that's what...
Yep. And then we're going to have another line come down like this and like this. That's right, and then start here and come about to there. And the next line is going to be his cheeks. So we're going to come like this, and like this.
He's got big cheeks.
Got big cheeks. Same on the other side. Like this. You know, kind of try to make it the same if you can in the distance.
This one was a little longer.
That's
he must
okay.
have like a mouse in there.
Well, I'll show you how this is going to work. That'll look like he's looking a little bit this direction because...
Well, it looks like he's looking that way.
It does. It actually does. So then we're going to have his smile or his evil grin come across like this and come around like that.
That's more of a smile than an evil grin.
Well, it's an evil grin because his eyebrows are looking very evil. He's looking like he's clever. Then I'm going to give him just a little chin.
And then his tongue.
Yep, we're going to do his tongue after that. And his tongue's going to come out like this. And then he's got a little double tip tongue, just like that. Now we're going to run his neck from here, and we're going to run it off the page, like in a big swirly C in a way. Now his other side, you want to start thin and get thicker. So watch how I do this. It's going to go about the same width here, and then it's going to get thicker here because he gets thicker as he gets into his body.
That's like this. That's what the snake looked like when we were there.
At school?
Yeah, camp.
And then we're going to have his other part of his body kind of come around. He's coming back on screen again, coming around here like this. Now we're going to try to keep the same thickness we see here, down here, and kind of run it along the same path.
I got a little thin.
That's okay. And then now he's coming up like this. He's going to come behind his body here to about there. And then another one. Now this is near closer to the tip of his tail because we're going to have a rattle showing. So we're going to another one that runs like a road along the same path behind. That's good. Now his rattle.
Our boa constrictor at our camp, he had his tail like that at the end.
The rattle's going to look kind of like that. And it's rattling, so we're going to make 2 rattle marks, 2 rattle marks. And then I'm just going to make some lines to show the rattle.
Can I do them all?
Yeah, you can do them all. You know that what the lines are, each little line represents a year on a snake, from what I recall.
I didn't know that.
This rattlesnake is 1, 2, 3, 4 years old.
Mine is 6, 7.
7 years old. Okay, now we're going to do.
Younger than me.
We're going to do this. We're going to take a line a little thinner if we can, and run it down the center like that. Same thing here. Run it down the center, kind of like on the lower end of this, like this. That's good. Keep going all the way down. And now we're going to show the stomach lines.
Don't we do it here?
Oh yeah, we can do it there too, all the way up to the rattle. Now the stomach lines kind of go like this. They arc in the direction. This really will show the direction of the snake's belly really nicely.
The snakes we had that too.
You remember that with the snake you visited with?
The snakes.
Oh, the snakes. I'm going to do the same down here, except go the other direction with the arc. Now Diamond Back rattlesnakes they're called Diamondbacks because they do have little diamonds on their back. And they start small by the neck and then they get bigger as they get into the body.
I kind of like triangles upside down.
Keep going.
That one, they're getting a little smaller.
Yeah, that's what happens. They get smaller as you get closer. And then when you get closer to the tail, they're actually getting really small. When you get closer to the rattle. And I didn't make these lines either.
Me neither.
Gotta finish those. So then I'm going to go back and put diamonds or triangles. They're really diamonds if we were looking at the top down, like if we were looking from up here looking down at the snake, it would be a full diamond. But we're seeing the side. So I'm going to add more diamonds that go the opposite direction. To give it this really neat design on its back. That's it.
It's kind of like making this like bold.
Now when we color them,
like
it'll
a
look
bolded A.
like a what?
Like a bolded A. Like if
Oh, like a bolded A, yeah. If you put a line across, it would be an A.
You're ready to color.
I am so anxious to color. I can't wait to color. Well, yours is detailed. You put a lot in there.
Oops. Wait, why am I doing?
You want them to go kind of like this way.
Okay.
They almost look like teeth when they get that small.
Wait, we should give him fangs.
If you want to give them fangs, you can, yeah. It's a good idea. So I'm going to draw fangs like that. Fangs like that. Usually don't see those unless they open their mouths, but what the heck, adds a nice thing for the drawing. Okay, we're going to color. So
I'm going to put a sun right here.
oh, Jackson's signature sun going in there because he's in a hot desert.
I'm going to put my name in it.
Snakes like hot. Okay, let's color.
Okay.
Here we go. We're going to go fast. We're going to speed this up so you guys can follow along on the coloring or do your own colors. It's up to you. But here we go. Okay guys, we are done with our Diamond Back Rattlesnakes.
I'm 7. I'm 4 years old.
And Jackson's is older than mine. I don't know how that worked out because
You are
I'm
my
older than him.
little sister. I'm your big brother.
Oh, then I should have eyelashes. Should I put eyelashes on her?
Yes.
Okay. Since she's a sister?
I've never seen a snake with
I don't
eyelashes.
think they really do have eyelashes, but. All right, thanks guys for joining us for snake drawings. And we're gonna give you our email, which is right here above Jackson's head. And you can send us your snake drawing if you want to that email. Anyways, see you next time. Subscribe to us and check out our other stuff on our channel. And
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now. Ciao.